Hey boos, welcome back. So today I had one of my previous clients come in. I haven't seen her in a couple of years. And she has experienced some hair loss from COVID. Yes, you can see the stringy ends. You can see how fragile her ends were. So we did a hair detox with the deep cleansing hair bath. We did the milk and honey oat shampoo, repair treat, and I steamed it and let her sit underneath the dryer. So you can see the luster and shine in her hair, but you can also see the ends, and you can see the fullness from the root and mid shaft, but you guys can see the ends. And so we are going to be doing a cut and adding some layers into her hair. She was perfectly fine with this. She had a little bit of a meltdown because knowing her all of these years, her hair has never been in this state. And it was sort of devastating to her in a sense because, you know, as women, we love our hair. And for her, her hair is her crown and glory. She has always been someone that takes pretty good care of her hair, you know, gets trims and all of that. And you can also see when I brushed the hair, that bottom part, that was starting to thin out as well. If you have had this, if you have had, you know, COVID within like the last year or two and you have experienced some type of hair loss, then this may have been happening to you as well. But luckily, this is something that we can reverse. And I'm using the ceramic brush with the FHI blow dryer. All of the links are down below, as well as all of the products that I used. If you've been following me on here for a while, then y'all know I'm not a fan of leave-ins and heat protectant sprays. Because mainly those are conditioner based. Some of them are water based too, but I just don't believe in using them. My products, especially with my deep conditioner, has a built-in heat protectant. I am a firm believer in having weightless hair, soft, flowy hair, and this is the way you begin the start of having healthier hair. You don't want to weigh your hair down. This is after the blow dry. You can see the ends, like you can see the ends and how much we're probably going to have to trim off. Again, she was okay with this, and not even a trim, excuse me, a cut. We're going to have to cut it off. And then I went in and I silk pressed her hair before I went in to give her this cut. You can see the shine. Again, we didn't put anything in her hair, just the shampoo and conditioner, which is the deep cleansing hair bath, milk and honey oat shampoo, and the repair treat. I'm showing y'all the real deal because this is something that's very serious. A lot of women also don't understand that this type of thinning and hair loss can come from other things, not even just COVID, but thyroid problems, low iron, also just as easy as not getting a trim in months. But this is something that, like I said, can be reversed and changed around. I'm getting the feeling that a lot of clients, customers, you know, just women in general, are going to be more knowledgeable on how to maintain their hair at home. This video right here was filmed months ago. I'm no longer behind the chair. I went back for a couple of months and I left again because, yeah, and this time I am completely done. But I came back, you know, just to help a few women out. And I'm glad that I did, because I was able to transform so many women's hair in the process. Their confidence has went up, and just really showing them what healthy hair is about and what my products can do. And I'm not one of those stylists that likes to sell a dream. I'm all about facts. And this is what this channel is about. You know, I'm giving y'all lifestyle, I'm giving y'all travel, but I also want to equip y'all with healthy hair knowledge. Just everything that I love. I just want to equip y'all with this knowledge. Let me know down below if this is something that you would have done to your hair. I see a lot of comments from people that say, oh, you cut off too much, da, 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 da. But let me tell you something. When you are a woman that was used to and is used to having your hair healthy, you're going to be like, listen, cut off the dead ends. I want to start over. And there is nothing like having, beautiful, flowing, thick hair. You can't hold on to dead weight. I keep telling y'all that. You cannot hold on to dead weight, dead ends. It's not doing nothing but holding you back. After she's pressed out, I go in with my invigorating scalp serum. I just use a few drops to give it shine and luster, and to moisturize her hair as well. Because a lot of y'all say, oh, well, my ends get dry a few days after my silk press. This will help with that, and it does not weigh the hair down. And right here, I'm also face framing her hair as well. And y'all already know I love to do my diagonal parts. If you've been following me for a minute, you know this is my signature thing. I've been doing it for a long time. It just makes it easier for me and to give that bouncy full look. So I'm doing the diagonal parts, and I'm using the Babyliss 1.5 inch flat iron, and that link will be down below as well. As I was finishing up the styling, I could just see her confidence coming back. Like I said, she's been coming to me for years, so she trusts me. She trusted my choices. It was just a little hard on her to let that much hair go because she was not used to that, But as we get older, things happen throughout our life. It's just important that you go with the flow and make the necessary changes that you want to see. Leave a comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the cut and the style and everything. And if you have been experiencing this as well, follow me on Instagram. My products are also tagged down below. And if you are a stylist looking to learn more, I have tons and tons of ebooks and webinars down below. Let's get it, and cheers to having healthy hair again.